Hi everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster install. Today we're installing a Sprint Booster on the sweet Civic Type R. Sprint Booster is the #1 throttle control module on the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide. If you're wondering what a Sprint Booster does, it's a little electronic device that plugs into your throttle pedal and it eliminates the lag between your throttle pedal and your throttle body. So back in the day, like me, you're probably used to driving a car that's got a throttle cable attached to the pedal which opens your throttle body. But on these newer machines, they're all throttled by wire. So what the Sprint Booster does is delete the lag between your foot and the throttle body, which makes your car feel like it accelerates quicker and helps you to merge onto the highway a little bit easier, and it just gives you that overall more pep when driving around town. When Sprint Booster debuted at SEMA, it won SEMA's best new product, so you know you're getting the good stuff. Alright guys, so the first step is to take your key fob and put this thing 10 feet away from your car with the door open and wait another 10 minutes. That way your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. Alright, so next up is to locate your throttle pedal assembly. Above that you'll see the clip to the harness. Unplug that clip and then plug your Sprint Booster in line. Next, plug your controller into your Sprint Booster and route it up to your dash. Now, this car is a manual, so before you mount your Sprint Booster controller on your dash, make sure you hit the little switch on the side to switch it to the manual setting. And if you have an automatic car, you can leave it in the stock setting, which is automatic. The Sprint Booster has 32 unique modes, including valet mode and pedal lock mode, as well as 9 unique settings in race mode and another 9 settings in sport mode. So you can really dial in that pedal feel for what works best for you and your car. Alright guys, well that's it. Thanks for checking out the Sprint Booster install. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out our wide list of applications and see which Sprint Booster is right for your car. If you enjoyed what you saw, hit us up down in the comments and let us know what other machines you'd like to see a Sprint Booster installed on. Thanks guys, have a great day. Bye now.